A zip line. I would love to have a zip line right now.
We do not know.
This is where you look for fire belly newts.
Oh.
This is why we came this way.
Do you say fire belly
They're
newts?
fire belly newts, yeah. That hang out in the creeks. And I don't know what time of year. Is it this time? Springtime.
Is that just because of the color, or?
Yeah, they really do have this wood.
I was gonna say, or do they like spit fire or anything?
No, the belly is.
Yeah. Yeah. There he is.
It's
Nothing.
a fire newt. Fire belly newt.
Nothing to see here. Nothing interesting. Is it fire newt?
Yeah. Oop. Sorry, Steve. He's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Look at him. Hey,
That's
guy.
bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Look at this. Isn't this beautiful?
Yes. Indeed.
Will's leg.
How far are you gonna go?
As far as I can.
Oh gosh, that's pretty far.
Oh, I'd rather be at work right now.
Hut.
Oh no, I would not go to work if I had to know you. You just gotta write it out.
Hut.
James, I'm over here. James, take a picture of me.
I'm coming. Wah. Ah, branches. Ah, nature. Why? Why? Okay, I'm all right now.
Take a picture of me. Salamander.